This car is straight piped. This car is straight piped. This car used to be straight piped. This car, after doing a massive turbo and a completely open 3-inch downpipe and complete straight pipe all the way back, is just way too loud. God dang it, did this thing just pop off again? Oh, kill me, dude. Oh, it just did. You son of a... Oh, I hate you. Ah. That's a resonator. Whoops. Now that's a muffler. Loud cars are incredible, but when you can't hear yourself think, or when you can't hear yourself think, it is just the worst. It's not that loud from idle, it's pretty loud. But whenever you're at a certain RPM, it's amazing, but it's the worst. I still can't believe I hop into a 500 horsepower Evo once a day, dude. So good. One thing about this is, it's not that it's loud, it's just that it resonates. It's the droniest sound I think I've ever heard come out of a car. So not only is it just not pleasant whenever you're driving on the highway and stuff like that, but for my neighbors, you can feel the exhaust, but probably before you hear it. It sounds absolutely amazing. So I'm hoping that quieting it down is not gonna ruin that 4B sound. I'm usually the one to absolutely love stupid loud cars, but it's not even enjoyable driving. Got that classic gas station flex picture. Gotta get a little bit of fuel, then we'll head out. I've been on the road for 10 minutes. This is my louder than normal talking voice. I hope you guys understand that. I'm going a little over 60, and it's just, this is cool when you're cruising with your homies and everything like that. Like, this is cool going to meets, having a loud car, but dude, maybe I'm just getting old, because 5 years ago this probably would have been sick, but not now. Going out to his house, and I'm also really excited. I'm done hearing this car's drone. Seriously, I think my ears are bleeding. I don't know what that was, but something just fell. We are coming up on McKinney Speed. I'm just gonna clutch in so my brain can function again. I gotta send it, boys, get in the grass, get in the grass. Ooh, 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 yay! Oh, we made it, baby. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. You just gotta go for it. I brought some wooden planks this time to help me get on the lift, because I know it's not gonna happen very easily. Oh, we definitely scented getting in here. For sure. Hey, puppy. Hey, hello. Yeah, so I got that. It's 3-inch, and I guess just put it anywhere. So as I said earlier, it's a full straight pipe all the way back. We came here initially for him to straight pipe it, but it still had the stock downpipe, which didn't have a cat, but it was really bent. And now that I have a full custom 3-inch downpipe V-banded to my big turbo, it made it really, really loud.
So you go right in here.
Sure.
That's probably the best.
Yeah. Doesn't matter to me. We got lots of room to play with, thankfully, on this car. All right, let's get it started. committed to the quiet life? Not really, it's still gonna be loud. All right, cool, we're done.
All right, here we go.
See you later. Hopefully this will help. I'm really excited to see how this works. And still, we still got the only Evo 10, or one of the only Evo 10s with a true left exit. I gotta be honest, I really miss the look of having the diffuser on the car. I love them. I think they look so cool. And it needs a wing. I think I'm tired of the wingless. Are you done already? Yeah. Oh. Easiest job you ever had to do for me, I guess. And even on a quick job, got some badass welds going on, dude. Well, let's give this thing a start up for the first time again. Hopefully it's not too much quieter. I don't think it will be because it's just a small muffler, but maybe it'll help drone a little bit. The idle's a little quieter. I hear it a little bit less inside the car, but it still sounds like a good 4B11, so. Still pretty loud. I want to say a huge thanks to you guys who have hit up Nick at McKinney Speed. He always helps me out every time I have an exhaust issue or need something done. Hit Nick up if you need any exhaust work done. You want a straight pipe, you want to get a muffler delete, whatever it is, hit him up. He's very good at what he does, and he's always hooking us up for the channel. We got in, we went fast and committed, so we can get out now. You guys make sure you check out McKinney Speed. Hit him up, guys, seriously. All right, just go fast, commit. Oh, a little bit of scrapage, but we are money. It is actually quieter in the car. Now I can think to myself, I can have some zen on the way home. Oh. I think I blew one of my intercooler piping things so hard because if I start hitting boost, I think whenever I went full send into his driveway, yeet! I think I busted one of the intercooler pipes loose in here somewhere. I'm pretty sure that's where it's coming from. Or I knocked it and then one of these pipes up here came loose. Rally car, baby. So I took the bumper off and I looked around for a while. I couldn't find anything, but I went ahead and retightened everything that I could. This time I'm gonna have my pretty wife hold the camera as well. Actually, you have my microphone somewhere over there. Let's go ahead and strap that back up. It sounds pretty similar, but I also just, I mean, do you just not want to hear my Evo again? It sounds good, so.
Nope, no flames.
Yeah, something's wrong. The turbo wouldn't even spool up. Did you hear it?
Uh-huh.
Now it's idling really weird.
Yeah.
That was really weird. I have no clue. That's so weird. My turbo just like tried to spool up. I don't know what's going on. I heard my turbo like spool and then nothing happened. So I don't know. That's indicative of something. Dude, something's really weird, dude. It's acting up real bad. So now I'm thinking the characteristics of what just happened. I think I might have an exhaust leak at the turbo. I don't know, maybe the V-band came loose. I feel like something, it sounds like something is going on at the turbo, which is weird. Don't know why it would happen, but I'm gonna double check some bolts, and tomorrow we're gonna figure out some more stuff. Tomorrow I was actually planning on making a splitter, legit badass splitter for the car, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this car be and not drive it for a little bit because, well, at least the car is a little quieter now. A little more bearable in the car. The rasp is gone. But now on to another issue. Love Japanese cars, baby. Yeah! I will catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for all watching. Hopefully the neighbors like me a little bit more now, because that would be nice. Actually, they all love me anyways, so it's fine. Peace out, everybody, and be victorious.